Hey YouTube, thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm sharing a few things that I bought. I went to Trader Joe's today. I love going to Trader Joe's. They always have fun and interesting snacks and just interesting things to eat there, along with lots of organic produce and fruits and vegetables. So it's always fun going to Trader Joe's. So I went to Trader Joe's today, and I also got some things online from allstarhealth.com. So they always have amazing prices. So if you've never shopped at allstarhealth.com, you need to check them out. Like, look up your favorite protein shakes or your favorite vitamins or anything to help you maintain your health. That's what they sell. So check them out and see if they beat the price of where you normally buy your like supplements, vitamins, different cleanses, detox products, all things related to health, even skincare. All Star Health is a really good place to shop online. So yeah, check them out. I shop there all the time, and their shipping is really, really fast. Like I ordered this box just literally 2 days ago, and I've already received it. So yeah, I'm just sharing some things that I bought online and at Trader Joe's. I also picked up these beautiful sunflowers at Trader Joe's. They were in the front, and I just think sunflowers are so pretty. Aren't these pretty? So these are my sunflowers that I picked up when I went to Trader Joe's. But anyway, I just wanted to share. Oh, and I'm shooting I'm shooting in my room because if you don't know me, I have 4 kids. They're all home. My husband's at home, so downstairs is like really loud, and this is where it's nice and quiet. So I'm gonna make it work. I'd rather be in my kitchen sharing the food with you, but yeah, it's just not quiet down there. And I just bought this stuff, so I wanted to share it with you now, and I didn't want to like shoot later. So we're gonna make it work. I'm shooting in my room, but anyway, I wanted to make this salad. I bought this organic arugula salad. I'm gonna make a arugula salad, and I'm gonna top it with avocado. I have some lemon garlic dressing also that I'm gonna show you. That is also organic. It's like a lemon garlic vinaigrette. I'm also gonna have a side of sweet potatoes with it, which I got actually 2 of these. The sweet potatoes are cooking downstairs now, but I got 2 sweet potatoes and some mushrooms. So that's also going to go in my salad. Oh, and I got some fennel. So this is what fennel looks like if you've never had it, but I got this fennel. So I'm going to make my salad once I'm done shooting this. It's just going to be, I'll show you how it turns out. It's just going to be arugula, roasted mushrooms, a side of sweet potatoes, and I'm going to top it with avocado and then the lemon vinaigrette dressing that I told you about. So that's what I'm going to have for dinner. That arugula salad with a side of baked sweet potatoes with sea salt. So that is, as far as the produce, what I bought from Trader Joe's. I also got these rice cracker medley, and so these are gluten-free, and it says it has rice crackers in it, soy, salt and vinegar, and chili, wasabi, green peas. So I'm actually going to try this right now and see how it tastes. I love rice crackers. But here's one. It's really good if you like rice crackers. And here's another one. Looks like it has the seaweed wrap around it, but you do taste the teriyaki flavor. And this one kind of gives you that sushi flavor because it has that seaweed wrap around it, but this is really good. So that's another snack that I got from there. Another snack that I got these Thai lime and chili almonds. I've actually had these before. These are really good. If you like spicy and if you like Thai flavors, these are really good. They're just almonds with the Thai flavors. The Thai flavors that they have on here are tom yum powder, chili, lemon extract, paprika, lemongrass, garlic powder, white pepper, lemongrass, and kaffir, Kaffir, kaffir lime leaves. So there's like these little lime leaves in there if you can see it. But it really does capture that Thai flavor if you like Thai food. I love Thai food. So these are really, really yummy and spicy. So if you like spicy, you'll like these. I also got this soy chorizo, and I'm thinking, I've never tried this before and I've heard good things about it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a potato hash with this and maybe saute this and get it nice and crispy on the edges, and then put some green peppers, red peppers, you know, like the variety, different color green pepper or bell peppers with onions and potatoes. And I think that this would be really good savory vegan breakfast, because sometimes for me it's hard to think of different savory, you know, vegan breakfasts. They're mostly, it usually involves fruit or smoothie or oatmeal. Because I've been trying to limit the eggs that I eat. I hardly ever eat egg, but most of the time I really try not to eat eggs. I try to keep my diet vegan. So it's nice to have, you know, vegan options. So I'm kind of curious to try this. So I'll let you know how this turns out, my potato hash that I'm going to try to make with this. But yes, soy chorizo from Trader Joe's. What else did I get from there? Oh, from Trader Joe's, I also picked up this coconut body butter. So I'm trying to get more natural products to use on my skin. So this is Trader Joe's coconut body butter. And on the bottom, it says that it uses all certified organic ingredients. So it all looks like natural things in here. So I can't wait to try this. My skin gets so dry. I'm originally from Florida and we moved to the West Coast. So my skin gets so dry here on the West Coast. So I can't wait to try this coconut body butter to see how my skin responds. So I got this from Trader Joe's also. So these are the things that I ordered online from All Star Health. I'm going to open it with you. But I love shopping there. You should really definitely check that website out because they always have the best prices and they ship super fast. So I'll make sure to put the link in the description box for you to check out their website, because I've been shopping there for a while now and they're very reliable when it comes to shipping and the prices. They always have the best prices. So. All right, so the first thing that I got from there, so talking about skincare, I know I ordered apricot oil, which is really, really good for fine lines in the skin, and it also helps to makes a nice clear complexion. I've been using this for a while. Okay, so here is the apricot oil. It says it softens fine lines. It also is good for hair, moisturizes dry hair. But it says it is good for dry, aging skin or brittle hair in need of treatment. And then it says 100% pure apricot oil is a rejuvenating natural oil that's ideal for softening fine lines and restoring a healthy glow to the skin. And it definitely has helped my skin to just be smooth. It has helped even out my complexion and just little lines. You know, I'm 38. I'm getting up there in age, so I try to use things, you know, anti-aging natural products. So I really like using this apricot oil on my skin. So I've been using this. I'll wash my face with and exfoliate, and I'll put this on very light, not a lot, just a very light amount all over my face as well as my neck. And this is like my third bottle, so give that a try. So I also got this eye cream that I'm going to try. It's called a Cure Eye Cream, Radically Rejuvenating, and it's supposed to help with puffiness. It provides deep hydration to protect the skin's moisture barrier. You won't believe your eyes. You will scream for your eye cream. And it's 100% vegan. This is another vegan product. It's paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, silicone free, cruelty free. So this is another vegan product that I wanted to try, because I have tons of eye creams and anti-aging products, but I want to slowly try to get my skincare products to be more natural and less chemicals. So I'll let you know how I like, and just to help with the puffiness. You know, sometimes we'll have puffiness when we wake up in the morning, and I'm gonna put it on my eyes before I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning, and just to see how it works. But it had a good review, so hopefully it works well with my skin. Then I also bought some digestive enzymes, which is going to be my first time trying these. So these, I got the doctor formulated enzyme organic digest. It says 29 organic fruits and vegetables, helps digestion after meals, promotes nutrient absorption. And this is also organic and certified vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. So, and it's by Garden of Life. It's called Doctor Formulated Enzymes. So it's supposed to help your body to really absorb the fruits and vegetables that we eat. And it says here that it is farmed without use of toxic pesticides and fertilizers. And look at these ingredients. These are wonderful ingredients. Everything's organic. It says here organic carrot root, organic apple, organic broccoli, organic acai, organic parsley leaf, organic sweet potato. Oh gosh, you can just go, it's like a list. Organic ginger root, organic cauliflower. But it has amazing ingredients in it. I like that it's organic and it uses all of these natural ingredients, but it's supposed to help with your body absorbing all of the nutrients that we eat. So that's what it's supposed to help with. It says enzymes help your body digest food and unlock its nutrient value. Dr. Perlmutter's formulated organic digest to be the first and only full spectrum digestive enzyme formula that includes organic whole foods and is non-GMO, project verified. So yeah, it has 29 powdered certified organic fruits and vegetables combined with a select blend of powerful digestive enzymes. It has no sugars, artificial flavors, no preservatives, fillers, or binders added. So I can't wait to give this a try. Trying a new protein powder. So anytime I get a protein powder, I like to make sure it's organic, which this one is. And this one is called Organic Food Bar Vegan Protein Powder, and it has 20 grams of protein per serving. So it's certified organic, but this is what the label looks like. Organic Food Bar Raw Vegan Protein Powder blend tastes great, digests easily, and made with the finest blend of organic pea protein, organic pumpkin protein, organic spirulina, organic chlorella, and it's low glycemic. So this sounds like a good one. I like that it's organic, and it's really low in sugar, only 2 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 110 calories per serving. And it has lots of amino acids in here, 20.0 grams, all certified gluten-free. So yeah, this sounds like a really good protein powder. So this is going to be my first time trying this one, so I'm kind of excited. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share with you what I bought online. So check out allstarhealth.com and just compare prices and see if you like that website. I seem to always find what I need there at a lower price. So check out that website. So again, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.